the LG B20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG Stylo 5X for Bridge Mobile. So the Stylus 5X is a good thing. This is basically just a rebranded. This is basically just a rebrand of the Stylus 5, same specs and everything else. Um, so I went to I was on LG's website and I saw the Stylus 5X. I'm like, wow, interesting. So figured I'd do a video for y'all. So for those of you who don't know, the Stylus 5 has been rebranded to the 5X. I'm not sure what the X means here, so that is why I'm doing this video, because of this. So that's why I'm doing this video. So there you guys go. So the Stylus 5X is $149.99. It's currently on sale. $50 off. It's a retail price is $199.99. This is a budget smartphone with pretty decent specs. Of course, you guys know that this phone came out last year. So last we talked about this 5. I'm not sure what the difference is, if there is any difference between the two. I'm not sure. So pretty interesting, man. So you guys have your front-facing camera, earpiece. Not sure what this is here. You guys have wallpaper there. Nice looking wallpaper, colorful and vibrant and all that. Your writing piece is on the left side of the phone. Power button is on the right side of the phone there. Right side of the phone, you have your power button. There's your Stylus Pen with it as well. Pretty nice. And this is SIM card on the left side of the phone as well. So you guys know what the specs are for the Stylus 5. I don't have to really get in the specs, but I will anyway. So I don't get what the X means. I don't get it. I just don't know. I figured I'd do a video for y'all, for those of you who might be interested. So this is the phone again right here, the Stylus Pen right there, your basic Stylus Pen. It's not like an S Pen or nothing like that. So you will have some functionality with the pen, but it's not like an S Pen or nothing like that. So keep that in mind, alright? Back of the Stylus 5, you guys have a camera, camouflage fingerprint sensor, your LG logo right here, and that is about it there. So it says here, introducing the LG Stylo 5X for big ideas and imaginations. A premium quality phone that provides all the tools you need to be productive, be creative, and elevate every experience. This is what happens when the playfulness of the Stylus series meets the sophistication of a flagship smartphone. The Stylus 5 is not a flagship smartphone, guys. It's not a flagship, so do not get it twisted. So the Stylus 5 has a 6.2-inch display, 13 megapixel rear-facing camera, 15.5 hours of talk time, 32 GB of storage, and Android 9.85. It has an 18:9 screen ratio. So how does it work? Is of course you guys order the phone, wait for your friend to arrive and pick a no contract plan, and you activate online or whatever. So 6.2-inch full vision display with stylus and a large edge-to-edge display with Full HD Plus. That's 2160 by 1080 pixels. Resolution provides total immersion and a rich visual experience. Enhanced Stylus Pen. Take your creativity to another level with the LG Stylo 5's built-in Stylus Pen, now with refined sensitivity to improve precision and to improve precision and accuracy, and new creative features including calligraphy, sketch art, coloring book, draw chart, and my emoji. Powerful performance, fast and efficient hardware designed for high gear productivity, long-lasting 3500 mAh battery, 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of ROM, with 16.32 GB available to the user. So it's good that they tell you guys how much storage that you guys will have with the phone before you guys download anything to it. With up to 2 TB of microSD card storage and a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 1.8 GHz octa-core processor. premium design with a smooth, ergonomic design and the glossy finish. The Stylus 5 features a luxe look without compromising the functionality. Stylus Pen, write, doodle, sketch, and color with the Stylus 5. Enhanced built-in Stylus Pen, the possibilities are endless. Superior camera with auto-enhancing technologies. Take your best shot with a superior camera. Basic section. Autofocus minimizes blur and captures rapidly moving subjects with sharp focus. Face recognition, we do have that on this one as well. It says unlock your screen with unlock your screen with a facial scan. Lift the device in front of you for quick touch of security. It also has Google Lens installed with the point of a lens and AI integration. No information is beyond your virtual reach. Google Lens provides instant details based on a single image. Just point and go to visually search, shop, scan, or translate. The Stylus 5 also has DTS-X 3D surround sound. DTS-X provides an immersive sound experience with audio that seems to be coming from all directions. It has Android 9.5 it does have LG skin on top here, so it says Android 9 adapts to you and how you use your phone. Learning your preferences as you go, your experience gets better and better every time, and it keeps things running smoother, longer. The Stylus 5 is also Mexico roaming capable. Stay connected even when you're traveling to Mexico. Plan add-on is required for that to work. It is also voice roaming capable, so just keep talking even when you're temporarily outside the Sprint network. Set plans include 50 minutes per month of domestic voice roaming. And of course, the Stylus 5 is also mobile hotspot capable, which is really cool, you know what I'm saying? So it says don't get stuck without an internet connection. Turn your phone into a Wi-Fi hotspot for on-the-go access varies per plan. Of course, so what plan you have is a plan of hotspot that you guys will have. So if you have the $3 plan, you'll have 12 gigabytes of hotspot. If you have the $80 plan, you'll have 40 gigabytes of hotspot and stuff like that. Specs on the phone, you guys know what the specs are. 35 milliamp battery, 15.5 hours of talk time. The battery is not removable. 3 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of RAM. The support with micro SD up to 2 TB. 1.8 GHz octa-core processor. That's Snapdragon 450 Android Pie. 13 megapixel face detection, autofocus, rear camera, and 5 megapixel wide angle front facing camera there. You have a 6.2 inch Full HD plus 18:9 full vision display with Stylus Pen. Your dimensions are 6.34 inches height, 3.9 inches width, and 0.34 inches depth, and the frame weight 6.39 ounces. Your connectivity options for the Stylus 5 is Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, USB-C, 3.5mm stereo output headphone jack. You have C on this one. Some guys know that's what the difference is. This one has you'll have see it on board on this one here. So you can use mobile payments and stuff like that on this one. Other features include create your own emojis, get or draw chat messages of color in the column book with the Stylus Pen. Google AI camera and Google Assistant also featured. So I'm thinking that's what the difference is between the two phones. This one has the 5X has NFC enabled, the Stylus 5 does not. So I guess that's what the difference is. I'm not really sure. If you guys can tell what the difference is, let me know. Okay, so when I did a video about the Stylus 5 last year, it did not have no NFC on board, so this one does have NFC. So that's pretty cool. So you can use Google Pay and stuff like that and whatnot. What's included in the box is your LG Stylo 5X quick charge 3.0 charger, SIM card installed, USB-C cable, important information booklet. So I think this one has quick charge on it. The 5X does have quick charge. The regular Stylo 5 does not. So I'm guessing that's what the difference is. This one includes quick charge 3.0 from Proce, and you'll have NFC on board. I think that's the only two difference. I mean that's the only difference between the two frames. This one, the 5X, has quick charge and NFC on board, and the regular Stylo 5 does not. So if you guys need help with your Stylus 5, use my website to help out with that. It says here, want to know everything there is to know about this phone. Done everything from setting up your email to managing all your vending applications. You guys and click on device support to get help. If you guys have any help, it's always there for you to check out. If you guys have any help, it's a great tool to check out. So yeah, there you guys have it. LG Stylo 5X for Boost Mobile. This phone is not new. I don't get why the X is there, but like I said, the X I guess means it has quick charge and NFC on board, so I'm guessing that's what the difference is. I have already done the community post. I bought this on my channel. Y'all guys want to check it out on my community post. So and the Stylus 5X right now is $149.99. It's currently on sale. $50 off. It's retail price $199.99. So yeah. It's kind of interesting that Boost Mobile has rebranded this one to the 5X. So there you guys go. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. You guys, if you guys smell a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.